टेक फ्री लाइव क्लासेस, बेबी कोड एप्लीकेशन पे जाओ, यहाँ लाइव आइल्स क्लासेस पर क्लिक करो, ज्वाइन नाउ पर क्लिक करो। जैसे ही आप ज्वाइन नाउ पर क्लिक करते हो, जूम ऑटोमेटिकली ओपन हो जाता है और आप डायरेक्ट लाइव क्लास को ज्वाइन कर सकते हो। हेलो, गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन, हाउ आर यू ऑल?
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम।
गुड मॉर्निंग। कैसी चल रही है सबकी प्रैक्टिस? एंड हाउ इज द विंटर मॉर्निंग? गुड मॉर्निंग अमरप्रीत।
Good morning, ma'am. How are you?
गुड मॉर्निंग, आई एम गुड। हाउ अबाउट यू रणवीर?
I'm also doing good, ma'am.
थैंक यू। Very good morning, Sudeep. Where were you from last few days?
I was out of my country, so I couldn't attend my classes. From
Okay.
today, I'll continue.
Okay, you will be regular now, right?
Yes, ma'am. I'll be regular.
Okay, great. Very good morning, Harpreet. You are in the bus. You're traveling. Okay. Okay, my first question to all of you is from part 1. उसके बाद हम करेंगे अपना part 2. How was your winter morning today? Yes. So I want quick answers. How was your morning today? Part 1 ka question we have already done lots of practice. Yes. Who can start first? Yes, yes, yes.
May I answer, ma'am?
Yes, please. Go ahead.
Quite good and warm morning today because from last 7 of days there is a no sunrise, and today morning the sunrise very beautiful and it's quite good and interesting morning today.
So I enjoy the warmth of the sunlight in the morning, right? Okay. Anyone else? Yes, Rahul.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Today my morning is great because I make feel more energetic and freshness. Outside weather is so cool and cold also after some times. So I feel very comfortable for any activities and more energetic feel for my work and study.
Hmm. So I was fresh or I was feeling fresh. Refresh basically, right? Okay. Anybody else who would like to answer the same question? How was your winter morning today? Did someone had a cup of tea or coffee? Did something for 5 or more minutes? Some exercise, some morning walk. You can talk about anything. I'm just asking you about your morning part. Okay. Yes, Jyoti.
Today morning was quite cool. So when I wake up, I get ready for my work, and when I step outside, then it was too much snow. So it's little cool day today.
Hmm. Right. So I stayed indoor for some time. I had a hot drink to feel warm. आप कुछ भी बोल सकते हो, like आपने जो भी करा मॉर्निंग में. How was your winter morning or how was your today's morning? कैसी थी आपकी मॉर्निंग? You can talk about it. It was quite chilly in the morning, but I felt refreshing. Okay. Now let's start with today's task. आज हम क्या करने वाले हैं? Any idea? Yes. किसी को पता है? होमवर्क किया? Any idea what we
We
are
go by
supposed?
using keypad.
Ma'am, cue card, I think. Cue card.
Yes, we will practice for our speaking part 2, which is a cue card. Right? अब cue card में क्या होता है? किसी को पता है? You all have been practicing since months, I guess, for the IELTS. Cue card
We have
होता
to
क्या है?
minutes on a given topic.
Yes. You need to talk on a given topic. Right?
Take
आपको एक Yes, Sudeep? So
2 minute
basically,
बोलना है.
yes, you need to speak for at least 2 minutes, right? यहाँ पे 2 मिनट आपको रुकना नहीं है, बोलना है. Now, what exactly क्यू कार्ड is? आपको एक टॉपिक दिया होता है और उस पे बेस्ड आपको क्वेश्चंस दिए होते हैं. अब बेसिकली अ बुलेट पॉइंट्स दिए होते हैं, नॉट एग्जैक्टली द क्वेश्चंस. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज आपको 1 मिनट का टाइम मिलेगा टू प्रिपेयर अबाउट इट एंड देन नेक्स्ट 1 to 2 minutes to speak about it. Your target will be that you will cross 1.5. लाइक 1 minute 30 seconds से ज्यादा ही आपको बोलना है, कम नहीं बोलना. एंड देन आफ्टर दिस स्टार्ट्स योर पार्ट 3. उससे पहले कुछ राउंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस होते हैं रिलेटेड टू द क्यू कार्ड. नाउ आई विल टेल यू द वन गोल्डन स्ट्रक्चर जिससे आप अपनी स्पीकिंग को, दैट मीन्स उस 2 minutes को कॉन्टिन्यूसली बोल सकते हो विदाउट एनी इंटरप्शन, विदाउट एनी पॉजेस. क्योंकि जब आपको एट अ लेंथ बोलना होता है, अब जब हमने स्पीकिंग पार्ट 1 की प्रैक्टिस करी, व्हेन वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट ऑल द टॉपिक्स, तब आपको सिर्फ कितने सेंटेंसेस बोलने थे? 3. एंड समटाइम्स यू आर टेकिंग लॉन्ग पॉज, समटाइम इट वाज अ शॉर्ट पॉज, हेजिटेशन भी हो रही थी. सो फ्लुएंसी बहुत ज्यादा हैम्पर हो रही थी, राइट? अब यहाँ पर आपको क्या करना है? आपको एट अ लेंथ बोलना है. दैट मीन्स आपको 1 minute, 1.5 minute, 2 minute तक बोलना है. यू कैन नॉट स्टॉप. अगर एक पॉज भी होगा तो वो नेचुरल पॉज होगा, बट ये नहीं कि आप 30-40 seconds का पॉज ले रखा है आपने, राइट? यू कैन नॉट डू दैट. सो वो हम कैसे करेंगे? आई विल टेल यू. नाउ दिस इज योर क्वेश्चन. इज दिस विजिबल टू ऑल?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. Now remember one thing. You will always have this statement describe a person who motivates you. Then you will always have you should say. Who the person is, how you know him or her, what qualities he or she has, and explain why this person motivates you. Now, what is the meaning of should? Can anybody
You
like,
have to say
sorry?
Compulsory, ma'am.
compulsory,
No. That's wrong.
Mandatory.
No,
mandatory.
no. Should never means mandatory. Now, what is the meaning of must? If I say you
Compulsory.
must say,
A must means we
Compulsory.
will do work definitely.
yes.
Yes, sir.
Should
Compulsory.
means, listen to me.
A less
Should-
possibility in case of should as compared to must.
Now, should means
Possibility of doing
not
anything.
compulsory. You have a choice. Should का मतलब होता है, should is basically used for advice, suggestion, recommendation. You should say कि वो पर्सन कौन था, आप उसे कैसे जानते हो, क्या क्वालिटीज है उसकी, क्यों वो पर्सन आपको मोटिवेट करता है. बट दिस इज नॉट कंपल्सरी. Should means you have a choice, it's not compulsory. That means it is not required कि आपको ये चारों बोलने हैं. Your task is you have to talk about a person who motivates you. आप उसके बारे में कुछ भी बताओ. It's up to you. Your main topic is कि वो person जो आपको motivate करता है, आपको उसके बारे में बोलना है. आप एक पर्सन को बोलो, दो को बोलो, बट लुक फॉर द रेलेवेंट आइडियाज कि आप उस पर्सन के बारे में जरूर बताओ जो आपको मोटिवेट करता है. चाहे आपको 2 पर्सन मोटिवेट करते हैं, 3 करते हैं, आप 3 भी बोल सकते हो. दे नेवर जज योर आइडियाज, बट येस यू आर टॉकिंग ऑन द टॉपिक. ऑफ द टॉपिक आप ना जाओ. सो शुड का मतलब क्या होता है? इट्स एन एडवाइस, इट्स योर चॉइस, इट्स नॉट अ कंपल्शन कि आपको ये 4 चीजें बोलनी ही बोलनी है. इट्स अप टू यू. अगर यहां लिखा होता यू मस्ट से, देन इट्स अ स्ट्रॉन्ग रूल, इट्स अ स्ट्रॉन्ग ऑब्लिगेशन. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आपके पास कोई चॉइस नहीं है, आपको ये करना ही करना है, ये बोलना ही बोलना है. ओके, सो देयर इज अ डिफरेंस बिटवीन मस्ट एंड शुड. जो स्टूडेंट्स को नहीं पता, दे थिंक कि हमें सिर्फ यही बोलना है. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको सिर्फ यही बोलना है. यू हैव टू टॉक अबाउट योर टॉपिक. अब उसमें आप इसे इंक्लूड करो या ना करो, इट्स अप टू यू. यू हैव अ चॉइस बिकॉज एग्जामिनर सेज यू शुड से, नॉट यू मस्ट से. अगर आपको कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा तो आप ये बोल सकते हो इन सब के बारे में. अदरवाइज यू कैन जस्ट टॉक अबाउट अ पर्सन हु मोटिवेट्स यू. नाउ हाउ यू विल डू दिस? कैसे आंसर फ्रेम कैसे करेंगे? व्हाट्स दैट गोल्डन रूल जिससे हम इंटरप्ट नहीं हो, हमारे पास आइडियाज भी आ जाए और हम उस 2 मिनट के लिए बोल भी पाए, राइट? सो दैट स्ट्रक्चर इज a method which we will use. Now that is called as PPEF. Now what is PPEF? PPEF, the first one means the past. Past means when did it start? Present means what is happening now. Next one. हम प्रेजेंट की बात करेंगे. प्रेजेंट में वो पर्सन हमें कैसे मोटिवेट कर रहा है. Then we will add an example. Example is again a personal story. अब यहाँ पे हम अपनी पर्सनल स्टोरी बता सकते हैं, पर्सनल एग्जाम्पल दे सकते हैं, बिकॉज क्यू कार्ड इज ऑल अबाउट अस कि कौन से पर्सन ने हमें मोटिवेट करा. देन कम्स योर फ्यूचर. कोई भी आपका फ्यूचर प्लान, आपका कोई ओपिनियन, वो आप यहाँ पर ऐड कर सकते हो. सो दिस इज द वे जिससे आप क्या करोगे. 30 seconds. You will talk about 30 seconds for the past, 30 seconds for the present, 30 seconds for example, and 30 seconds for the future. अब जब आपके पास 1 मिनट का टाइम है ना, देन व्हाट यू कैन डू इज अपने पेज को, जो भी आपको नोट मेकिंग के लिए मिलता है, उसे 4 बॉक्सेस में डिवाइड कर दो. Who, what, when, where, details, feelings, why important, future, सब अपनी नोट मेकिंग में एब्रीविएशंस की फॉर्म में लिखो. फुल सेंटेंसेस नहीं लिख सकते, सिर्फ कीवर्ड्स लिखो, बिकॉज यू कैन नॉट राइट दिस मच इन द 1 minute. राइट आपको सिर्फ उतनी नोट मेकिंग करनी है जितनी रिक्वायर्ड है, सो दैट यू अंडरस्टैंड एंड यू कैन स्पीक फॉर द नेक्स्ट 2 minutes. आपके पास सिर्फ और सिर्फ 1 minute का टाइम है. मेक श्योर कि आप उसमें कैसे अपनी फ्रेजिंग कर रहे हो. Clear? Now how we will start? I will pick one of the student who will talk about past. Next one will be talking about the present and so on. Chanpreet.
Yes, ma'am.
So as you know, the question is describe a person who motivates you. So you have
Yes,
to
ma'am.
talk about only the past.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you talk about something related to past?
Yes, ma'am. The person who truly motivated and uh, believed on me is my mentor, is my father, and he is highly disciplined, focused, and always encouraged me to improve personally and professionally both.
Hmm.
And what has inspired me the most is his positive attitudes,
Hmm.
even in the difficult situations.
Hmm.
And he always believed me in continuous learning
Hmm.
and often reminds me that consistency is more important than talent.
Hmm. Okay. Now, when I say past means you can talk about the past. In the past, talk about some background related to this. In the
Uh,
past, I used to feel very confused about my career and future. During that time, my elder sister or my father played an important role in my life. I known her, like suppose if you're talking about your sister, I've known her since childhood. But I started observing her closely when I was in college. So you're talking about giving a context, you're talking about the past first. कि कैसे मोटिवेट करना स्टार्ट करा था, वो पास्ट एक्सपीरियंस क्या था आपका.
yes,
I
ma'am.
am writing for you all this, but from exam point of view, you're not allowed to write, but just to get an idea. Okay, so what words you can use is in the past. I used to feel very like how did story start? कैसे उस पर्सन ने आपको मोटिवेट करना स्टार्ट करा? ऐसा कुछ तो हुआ होगा ना. सो यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट पास्ट फॉर्म. In the past, I used to feel very confused about my career, my future. During that time, my brother, my sister, or whosoever that person is, he started playing an important role in my life. Then talk about the present. Now, why I am showing you this format, why I want you to speak in this way is because आप लोग क्या करते हो, एक वो मेमोराइज स्टेटमेंट होता है. टुडे आई वुड लाइक टू टॉक अबाउट अ पर्सन हु मोटिवेट्स मी, इज माय फादर, इज माय ब्रदर, इज माय सिस्टर. So that's a memorized statement which we use in the beginning of our cue card. Try to replace that statement. हमें उससे start ही नहीं करना. We don't want to talk about that statement. Today I would like to talk about this. Or a person who motivates me is this. No. Don't go for the memorized one. Now, present. Up, suppose I talked about my sister, my brother, or my father. At present, she's working as a software professional. And we talk almost every day. So now what I used is at present. अब मैंने present का बताया. She's working as a software professional. And we talk almost every day. What I really admire about her is her discipline and a positive mindset. Even when things go wrong, she stays calm and focused. Now, I talked about only the present part. कि अभी वो क्या है, कैसे करती है, why I admire her, why she motivates me a lot. Then comes your example. Just talk about 20 to 30 seconds for each. Like present, past, example, and future. You will cover up your 140 or 2 minutes exactly. Now, example में हम क्या बोल सकते हैं? For instance, for example, अब story बताओ कि कैसे. Few years ago, she failed in an important exam. But instead of giving up, she analyzed her mistakes and tried again. Eventually, she succeeded, and at that incident, or you can say that incident taught me that failure is not the end, but a lesson. सो आपने वो एग्जाम्पल भी बताया कि उसकी उस कौन सी पर्टिकुलर चीज से आपको इतना मोटिवेशन मिला. सो यू हैव गेव एन एग्जाम्पल, अ पर्सनल स्टोरी दी आपने, पर्सनल एग्जाम्पल दिया. देन कम्स योर फ्यूचर. अब फ्यूचर इज ऑलवेज अबाउट व्हाट. कोई आप ओपिनियन दे सकते हो, यहाँ पे अपना फ्यूचर पॉइंट डिस्कस कर सकते हो, राइट? आपका कोई फ्यूचर प्लान है वो आप बोल सकते हो. In the future, I want to develop the same qualities, the same consistency and patience. Whenever I feel demotivated, I remind myself of her journey, and it pushes me to work harder and stay confident. So I'm talking about future now. मैंने 4 चीजों के बारे में यहाँ पर बात की. पास्ट की करी, प्रेजेंट की करी, एग्जाम्पल दिया एंड फ्यूचर. यहाँ पे कोई भी रिपीटिशन आया? डिड आई टॉक अबाउट एनी ऑफ द मेमोराइज स्टेटमेंट? नो. जब हम प्लान करते हैं अपने क्यू कार्ड को इन दिस वे, यू कैन टॉक अबाउट फॉर 2 minutes बहुत आराम से, बिकॉज यू हैव 4 ways to talk about it. You need not to think about anything else. Past की बात करो, present करो, example दो, future दो. That's it. So it will be a clear structure. You are using your smooth linking words. आपने past, present, future का flow भी दिखाया. आपने personal example दिया, which is a very great way to boost your bands. और आपने 1.5 से 2 minutes तक easily talk भी करा. You are speaking on that topic. Clear everyone how we can start this? Yes. Any doubt? Because we have to do practice for cue cards. Yes. Am I audible to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you explain future part again?
Yes. So future is you have to talk about your any future plan, your opinion. Like what do you think? अब इस person ने आपको motivate करा है. So what do you basically get from this person? I want to develop the same qualities she has. The same kind of patience she has. Whenever I feel demotivated, I remind myself of her journey. And it really helps me to work harder in the future and stay confident. So you're talking about your future perspective. Past की बात करो, present की करो, example and future. Let's take one more topic. It will be more clear to you. Yes, now I want all of you to take some initiative and talk about it. Next question is, describe a memorable journey you took. You should say where you went, when you went, who you went with, and explain why was it a memorable one. Now you have to talk about past. सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे? Past की बात करेंगे. Okay, I would like Kush, Harpreet. Mohammed.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I want you to talk about past.
Ma'am, now I'm working. I'm only listening.
Sorry.
Listening you. I'm at working, ma'am. I'm only listening you.
Okay, you're working. No problem. Anybody else? Sushi's, Hemant, Harpreet Nehal, Amarpreet. Okay, Chanpreet, I will talk about it. Don't worry. This is what I'm talking about कि आपको कैसे बोलना है for the past, for the present, for the future. Can you talk about only the past part? Yes, Chanpreet, I'm asking you. Only past.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
The place which I went is
Again,
the
you're starting with the memorized statement. The place which I went was this. In the past, around
as
1 year ago or 2 years ago, I went. Talk about
as
like
far
this.
as I remember. ऐसे करके चालू कर सकते हो.
Yes,
As far
talk
as
about. Hmm.
as far as I remember, the last trip uh, which I went is Manali, Himachal Pradesh, and I went with my friends,
Hmm.
and we took a journey with train, and then after continued by the bus.
Hmm.
That
Yes,
trip was
that's
very
it.
memorable.
That's it for the past. That's it for the past. When it comes to present, example, and future, then you can add. Now, past means talk about only the past. In the past, about 1 year ago, I went on a road trip to Manali with my college friends. It was a first long journey without my family, so I was extremely excited as well as nervous. So you're talking about past. आपने सिर्फ और सिर्फ पास्ट के बारे में एक्सप्लेन करा उस टॉपिक से रिलेटेड जो भी आपकी मेमोरेबल जर्नी थी अ ट्रिप टू द मनाली. नाउ व्हेन आई टॉक अबाउट प्रेजेंट, यस राहुल, प्रेजेंट. प्रेजेंट मीन्स व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट दैट? अभी क्या सोचते हो उसके बारे में, उस ट्रिप के बारे में? व्हाट डू यू फील अबाउट इट एट प्रेजेंट?
I like this trip because it give me a perfect mix of adventure and natural beauty, and also it provide much needed break in all my daily routines work, and sometimes I'm busy too much in my workload, and it is also provide spending time with my friends after long days, because nowadays I am working, so not enough time to meet in regular form, yeah, regular basis. So it also provide, and love this journey because
Mm-hmm.
it also learn too many things, just like handle challenge during these travels, and I face some many problems, so it's make become more stronger and open minded, I think.
ओके, थोड़ा ज्यादा एक्सटेंड कर दिया आपने. सो व्हेन
Yes,
वी
ma'am.
टॉक अबाउट प्रेजेंट, आज क्या फील करते हैं हम अबाउट दैट जर्नी प्रेजेंटली? सो आपको एट द मोमेंट, एट प्रेजेंट बात करना है. वेन एवर आई थिंक अबाउट दैट टॉपिक, इट ब्रिंग्स अ स्माइल टू माई फेस. That scenic mountains, cold weather, long conversations with my friend during the journey made it unforgettable. Even today, we often talk about those moments. तो आपने at present बताया about that memorable journey. Next one, Ranveer, can you talk about an example here?
For a future,
Example.
for example,
Example means you
okay.
have to talk about a incident or any of that example which happened in that journey.
If we go with the example, I would like to say that incident happened on that journey. We are traveling by a car, then we see the front car will accident on an incident, like there is a stone come from the mountain and the car goes on the left side of the road, and there are two-person injured very badly,
Hmm.
but the government provide a good facilities over there. Then there is a
Hmm.
lot of medicine facilities over nearby there,
Hmm.
and they saved it.
Hmm. So, for example, one night our car broke down in the middle of the road. Instead of panicking, we started singing songs and laughing together while waiting for help. That situation taught me the importance of staying positive. So you are giving any example from that journey. आप कोई भी example दे दो कि आपने क्या करा था वहां पे. Talk about any example from your journey, from your memorable trip जो भी आपका था. Then talk about future. अब आपको future से related. Yes, Ranveer, go ahead. Talk about any future. कि अब आपने जो भी ये जर्नी एंजॉय करी इससे रिलेटेड आप क्या कह सकते हो? एनी ओपिनियन, एनी फ्यूचर प्लान रिलेटेड टू दिस जर्नी?
It's quite a good journey for me, and I would like to surely plan this kind of journey in my future also, because in my future I love to plan so many cities, so many good countries, new places I love to visit, and I plan uh, so many plans to visit lovely countries like Ladakh, Manali, and some of outer countries also like Singapore, abroad countries also.
Repetitions थोड़े ज़्यादा हो गए. So in the future, I would love to go on such more trips or more such trips, especially to hilly areas or outside the countries. I believe traveling helps me relax and create lifelong memories. So आप पास्ट की बात भी कर रहे हो, प्रेजेंट भी कर रहे हो, एग्जाम्पल भी पुट डाउन कर रहे हो एंड फ्यूचर. Now, one thing, Chanpreet, you were asking is कि 1 minute में कैसे prepare करेंगे? It's very easy when you have these four things to talk about. Past से related क्या बोल सकते हो? Think about it very quickly. कब गए थे? Talk about that. 2 साल पहले, 3 साल पहले, 1 महीना पहले, 1 हफ्ते पहले कहाँ गए थे? Talk about this. आपने वो सारा past में बोला. प्रेजेंट. सेकेंड पॉइंट इज कि आपको प्रेजेंट क्या बोलना है, आज क्या फील करते हो उस जर्नी के बारे में. डू यू मिस दैट जर्नी? ऑब्वियसली बात है, अगर वो जर्नी अच्छी होगी तो आपको याद रखेंगे, बुरी भी होगी तो भी आप उसे याद रखोगे एट सम एक्सटेंट, कुछ तो हुआ होगा. थर्ड थिंग, उसी को एग्जाम्पल में ऐड कर दो. कोई भी एग्जाम्पल उस मेमोरेबल जर्नी का, वॉट यू हैड देयर, टॉक अबाउट इट. देन टॉक अबाउट फ्यूचर कि आपको ऐसी जर्नी पे जाना है या किसी और टाइप की जर्नी पे जाना है. यू कैन प्लान योर आंसर इन 1 minute इफ यू हैव दीज पॉइंट्स. क्योंकि आप सिर्फ और सिर्फ स्टक नहीं हो टू दिस बुलेट पॉइंट. यू कैन टॉक अबाउट पास्ट, प्रेजेंट, एग्जाम्पल एंड फ्यूचर. यस एवरीवन, कोई डाउट इसमें? प्लीज लेट मी नो.
मैम,
यस चंद्रप्रीत.
आ, मैम ऐसा कोई क्वेश्चन तो नहीं आएगा जो ये मेथड जिसमें मैम फंस जाए?
नो, नॉट
क्योंकि
एट
मैम लास्ट टाइम मैंने आइस दिलाया था तो
ऑल.
उसमें केक के बारे में था मैम, फूड फूड ओकेशन में कब खाते हो या क्या बनाते हो, क्या
नो,
स्पेशल ऐसा
नॉट
टाइप
एट
से
ऑल.
नहीं?
नॉट एट ऑल, ऐसा कभी नहीं होगा. एंड मोर ओवर मैं आपको सारे ही टॉपिक्स अपकमिंग सेशंस में कराने वाली हूँ. सो डोंट वरी अबाउट इट. वी विल ट्राई दिस स्ट्रैटेजी ओनली टू कवर ऑल द
यस मैम।
टॉपिक्स. क्योंकि अभी जो हमारा स्पीकिंग का टुमारो रहेगा दैट विल बी पास्ट बेस्ड क्यू कार्ड्स. The
यस
next day
मैम।
will be place and person cue card. And the other day will be the abstract topics जो भी आपके difficult वाले cue cards आते हैं. So we will be covering all the type of cue cards. Okay, so don't worry about it. There
ओके,
is
थैंक यू मैम।
another way also to talk about cue card topics, but I don't want to give that because that is again which I believe is not that good. But if you want, I can cover up that also in the tomorrow's class. There's another structure which we can follow, and then we can talk about a cue card topic. Okay?
Yes,
But
ma'am.
but if you follow this format for your cue card, it will never cover under your repetition of your ideas. It will never be considered under the memorized one.
Yes, ma'am.
Amarpreet, this is the way I'm saying. Follow this format for your cue card. Just organize your ideas with this past, present, example, and future. Okay?
No, ma'am, I am asking the latest topics which are
Okay,
going on
okay.
now.
Yes,
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 ma'am.
yes. Don't worry.
Yes.
We'll cover each and everything. And what I believe is now what you have to do is you have to talk about any topic. You should have a habit of making ideas in any topic. कोई भी topic आ जाए आपको वो आंसर देना आना चाहिए. Right? Don't
Okay,
ever
ma'am.
go for कि सिर्फ यही लेटेस्ट है इसके अलावा हम दूसरे ना पढ़े. Why you need to frame, like why you need to have this kind of mindset कि सिर्फ यही लेटेस्ट है यही आएंगे और हम यही पढ़ेंगे. When you know the strategy you can talk about any topic, right? So just practice in this way कि कोई भी topic आ जाए कहीं से भी आ जाए, I will talk about it in this way. Okay? Now I'm giving you another topic. I want all of you to talk about it, giving you 1 minute as well to think about it and then speak. Describe an activity you do to stay healthy. What the activity is, how often you do it, where you do it, and explain why it is important for you. You all have 1 minute. You have to talk about past, present, example, and future. I'm going to ask in this way, not the entire cue card का answer. पूरा answer कोई भी नहीं बोलेगा. Okay? Yes, Kush, you are right. If it talks about a person, then you can talk about a single person. But they never judge your ideas. So even if you want, you can talk about two-person also. They are checking your grammar skills, your vocab. That's it. Okay. Now, please focus on this topic. Describe an activity you do to stay healthy. Have to talk about first past, present, example, and future. Now remember one thing, you have to talk about an activity. तो वो आप activity भी decide करोगे कि वो कौन सी activity थी. Right? So when you will be talking about the past, you have to introduce that thing. Ready? I think 1 minute is up. Okay, who's on my screen first? Amarpreet, can you speak now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, talk about only the past.
In ancient India, yoga was considered as a great activities to stay healthy. People used to do yoga in the hilly areas, like Rishi or Muni. They do yogas on the mountains. They sit there for a long time for doing a meditation. So yoga had played an important role since ancient time.
So you past means related to you, not a general past. You have to
Okay,
talk
ma'am.
about yourself. In the past, I used to ignore my health because of my busy schedule. I often feel tired and stressed. That's when I decided to start a morning walk.
Yes, ma'am.
Past doesn't mean कि आप कोई general idea उठा के यहाँ पर बोल दोगे. This is a speaking cue card. It's about you. You have to talk about your activity.
Okay, ma'am. But ma'am, we can't explain about the first activity. I am explaining about the activity like
But you spoke
yoga.
for almost 40 seconds describing only about yoga during the ancient time. You did not introduce it to yourself that yes, now you started doing it.
Okay, ma'am. 1-2 sentence we can speak, then we can relate to ourselves.
I would advise do not talk about any general perspectives here. That is for the part 3. जब
ओके
आपको
मैम।
डीप डाउन फॉर द होल सोसाइटी और फॉर द होल रिस्पेक्ट आपको बात करनी है, बट हियर इट्स यू। ओके, हरप्रीत, नेहल,
ओके।
हरप्रीत, नीरज,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Harpreet. Okay, let's give a chance to Harpreet first. Past. Talk about past first.
The activity I used to do the walking in the morning. It was very good for me, but um, after that, I had the busy schedule here, so that's why I skipped the morning walk right now. So I used to.
Yes, Neeraj, you can continue now.
In the past,
Hmm.
I'm not conscious about my health, so
Hmm.
I eat unhealthy food in that times, and I suffer from fatty liver. And after that, a doctor suggest me to do exercise and do not eat unhealthy food. And after that, I do fast only, ma'am.
Yes, you have to talk about only past, not present.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
in
I
the
am talking.
past, I used to feel stiff and mentally exhausted because I spent long hours sitting. I didn't pay much attention to stretching or relaxation. आप सिर्फ और सिर्फ पास की बात कर रहे हो. You are not coming to the topic कि अभी वो एक्टिविटी क्या थी. अभी आप पास बता रहे हो कि पास में वो हुआ क्या था जिसकी वजह से आपने ये एक्टिविटी स्टार्ट करी. चंदप्रीत, are you getting this?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, so past
Ma'am,
means you are giving a background कि वो एक्टिविटी आपने स्टार्ट कैसे करी, पास में हुआ क्या. Now, suppose if you started cycling. Earlier, I depended too much on vehicles and rarely did any physical activity. As a result, I often felt lazy and low on energy. अब आप जब प्रेजेंट की बात करोगे तब आप बोलोगे nowadays I go cycling in the evening, I go for a morning walk around my neighborhood 3 to 4 times a week. सो पास्ट बताने के बाद आप प्रेजेंट पे आओगे, देन यू विल कम टू द टॉपिक कि दिस वाज द एक्टिविटी आई डिड. गिव अ बैकग्राउंड टू योर आंसर. पास्ट. क्रिएट अ पास्ट स्टेटमेंट कि वो एक्टिविटी अगर आपने करनी स्टार्ट करी थी तो क्यों करी थी, कुछ तो हुआ होगा.
मैम
यस.
मैम ये एक्टिविटी के बारे में मैम अभी जैसे नेगेटिव सेंस में था, जैसे
हम्म.
दैट आई वाज नॉट एबल टू डू एक्सरसाइज इन माय पास्ट टाइम, बट हाउ कैन वी गिव अ पॉजिटिव सेंस टू दिस आंसर मैम?
यू कैन टॉक अबाउट पॉजिटिव. आपने क्यों करना स्टार्ट करा.
Like I was a sports person from the starting, and I yes, ma'am.
एग्जैक्टली. सो टॉक अबाउट इट. Since my childhood or since 10 years, I was a sports person. Talk about it. It's not कि आपको नेगेटिव से स्टार्ट. बेसिकली आपने देखो, हम कोई एक्टिविटी अगर हेल्दी रहने के लिए करते हैं तो मे बी बिकॉज वी हैड समथिंग लाइक वी हैव सम काइंड ऑफ फिटनेस इफेक्टिवनेस, वी हैड सम फिजिकल गेम्स जो हमने अवॉइड करी हो, उसकी वजह से ही हम एक्टिविटी स्टार्ट करते हैं. और ईदर वी आर अ स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? There are only two options. So you can talk about any. हमें देखो, examiner they never judge your ideas कि आपने positive बोला या negative बोला. He only wants you to speak correctly on the topic. So जब आपको 2 मिनट बोलना है, you cannot speak सिर्फ आप ये 4 टॉपिक्स, ये 4 बुलेट पॉइंट्स नहीं कवर कर सकते in that 2 minutes. You are going to repeat your ideas. So to avoid that repetition, talk about past first. कि वो आपने स्टार्ट क्यों करी एक्टिविटी. ओके चंदप्रीत, आई वांट यू टू स्पीक फर्स्ट फॉर द पास्ट.
Yes, ma'am. In my past time, the I was not able to do much of exercises due to my study, and but moreover, I focus on the summer camps to stay healthy, and basically, I opted to choose playing basketball that I love very much, and now I used to play it even in my weekends.
So first talk about past, then talk about present. Yes, Ranveer, present.
I love to be healthy every day because I am a fitness freak person. So every day I go to gym and do some yoga, and in some early days I start to play badminton also, and it's give me a good energy.
Hmm. So at present, I practice yoga at home or go out for about 30 minutes, 5 days or 5 days a week. It has become an important part of my morning routine. You can talk about your two activities also. There's not a big deal. Examiner won't judge your ideas अगर आप दो एक्टिविटी के बारे में भी बोलते हो. Then comes your
I love to play
example.
badminton every day. I love to go swimming sometimes also.
Yes, you can talk about it. Jyoti, give an example.
I like swimming, and it's really helpful for me. When I started it, I noticed some improvement in my muscle strength, as well as also in my um, health and lungs.
So, for example, playing badminton improves my coordination. It also helps me socialize and reduce my stress. Now, suppose if he talked about cycling can keeps my heart healthy. For instance, you have to talk about कि अब आप example add कर रहे हो. It also allow me to enjoy fresh air, clear my mind after a long day. If you want to talk about yoga, for instance, simple breathing exercise and stretching poses help me stay calm and flexible. I feel more focused and less stressed during the day. So आपने वो example add करा from your activity. Now future. In the future, I plan to join a yoga class to improve my posture and learn advanced technique. Staying healthy helps me remain productive and confident. अगर आपका like suppose your activity is cycling. In the future, I want to go on a long cycling trails during weekends. Maintaining good health is essential for a balanced lifestyle. Manpreet, okay, Rahul, I want you to talk about only future.
Yes, ma'am.
What was your activity?
Ma'am, running and do some light exercise.
Okay, like home workout.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Home workout and outside in the ground sometime
Hmm.
also.
So talk about future.
In the future, I plan to continue these habits and also include some other activities
Hmm.
because it's make me feel more energetic and stay healthy in long term in the future also. And I continue these habits because I believe stay physically active and help me remain healthy and energetics in the long term and also help in my whole days
Hmm.
in the future and at the present, I think.
थोड़े सा repetition of ideas हो गया फिर से वही statements repeat हो गए. So in the future, I aim to increase the duration and intensity of my workouts. Good health is important for maintaining an active life,
Okay.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
Always talk about past, present, example and future. इससे आप 30 seconds चारों के बारे में बात कर सकते हो एंड यू कैन कंप्लीट योर 2 minutes. आप अपने आइडियाज को रिपीट नहीं करोगे. प्लान योर आंसर अकॉर्डिंगली. ओके, आई एम गिविंग वन मोर क्वेश्चन. I want you all to take that time and speak about it. Just give me a second. Yes. So again, you have 1 minute. Now let me help you. Past. That means आपको वो gift कब receive हुआ. You have to talk about the background. Then present. अभी भी उस गिफ्ट को यूज कर रहे हो. समथिंग रिलेटेड टू दैट. प्रेजेंट में क्या बात कर सकते हो उस गिफ्ट से रिलेटेड. फॉर एग्जाम्पल. And then a future related statement to that gift. Let's start. Who would like to speak first for the past? Prabin, can you speak? Suchita?
Yes, ma'am. Can I try?
Yeah, just give me 1 minute. Okay. Yes, Rahul, go ahead.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
In the past, I received a very special gift on my birthday last year's,
Hmm.
and it was a smartwatch,
Hmm.
and it was given to my best friend. I was surprised and very happy.
That's good. थोड़े से grammatical errors and need to work on that.
Okay,
Otherwise,
ma'am.
past part was good. Now, who
Okay.
will talk about present? Yes, present. Is it that much difficult, guys, that you're not able to frame your ideas? Yes, please let me know. Are you finding it more difficult?
No, it's not
I'm
difficult, ma'am.
So speak about it. Yes, please. I guess now it's easy for you to frame your ideas. You need not to think much. A present, like suppose he talked about smartwatch. So what you can talk about smartwatch at present? Yes, Ranveer, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
I use that watch every day, and it's going quite good and looking
Hmm.
good on my hand also.
Hmm.
And the last time I don't have that when I see every notification to see on my phone, but now I see every notification on that watch. I get every notification by as soon as possible. I can see, and sometime I forgot to see, but now I can see easily.
Right. So this was that you can add in the example. At present, now this smartwatch has become a very important part of my daily life. I wear it almost every day, especially while playing sports, walking, or doing any workout. It helped me track my steps, my heart rate, my calories burned, and even my sleep pattern. Right? Because of this, I'm more aware of my physical activity, or you can say my overall fitness. Now, who will talk about example? Yes. Yes, Chanpreet, I'm here.
मैम
You're not
ऑडियो चला गया था मैम, सॉरी.
okay from your end. Okay, example. Talk about an example. Now, the gift which Rahul told us is the smart watch. You have to talk about an example related to it. Ranveer has already talked about it. Yes. Chanpreet.
मैम सॉरी, अभी अपना क्वेश्चन कहाँ पे है मैम?
We are talking about past and present हो चुका है. You have to talk about example.
मैम आंसर का मैम फ्लो अभी क्या
Okay, it's okay. You were missed.
आ रहा है?
No
सॉरी
problem.
सॉरी.
Neeraj, can you speak about an example here? Yes, you can talk about it, Vargas.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Yes, please speak.
For example,
Hmm.
I was connecting my smartwatch to
Hmm.
the computer in order to download
Hmm.
the data regarding my fitness level, the last month.
Yes, your voice is not clear. Okay, Suchita. Suchita says smartwatch plays an important role in our daily life. Previously, I used to miss notifications on my mobile, but not with the help of smartwatch. But not with the but now with the yes, you have to make corrections here. But now with the help of smartwatch, I get each and every notification on time. Yes. So, for example, when I play sports, go for a walk, that watch really helps me monitor my activity level and improves my performance. Now, what happens basically is during my session, my watch allow me to check how active I have been throughout the day. Right? Now, what we can talk about future. Yes, anyone who can talk about future? अब इस वॉच के साथ एनीथिंग रिलेटेड टू द वॉच आप कुछ बोल सकते हो फ्यूचर के बारे में? Will you continue using it or will you buy another one? Yes, anyone?
And we can talk about the smartwatch, or we can talk about the gift for a
Yes,
future.
you can talk
Because
about
mainly
gift also.
topic is about the gift, na?
Yes, you can talk about gift. Like you want to
Mm.
have
I would
another
like to.
this type of gift.
I I also love to give someone in my future that kind of watches, that kind of things, because I love to gift someone,
Hmm.
because I know the needed of this gift, and I believe someone who connected with me, he also need that kind of things.
Yes. Or else you can talk about in the future I plan to continue using it, exploring more health features of this watch. I will always remember this gift because it supports or as it supports my active lifestyle, right? What else you can talk about? I always remember this gift as it plays a significant role in improving my lifestyle, motivating me to stay healthy. So you can talk about that gift past की फॉर्म में, present की फॉर्म में, example and future के साथ. Clear everyone? Yes, please. Any doubt, any problem in framing this cue card because you have to speak for 2 minutes. Yes.
मैम एग्जाम्पल में प्रेजेंट एग्जाम्पल देना है?
यस, आपका गिफ्ट आपके पास है तो आप प्रेजेंट एग्जाम्पल दोगे, पास्ट एग्जाम्पल क्या दे सकते हो बताओ?
मैम फ्यूचर एग्जांपल जैसे मेरे माइंड में आया कि
हम्म
एज फार एज टेक्नोलॉजी इज बीइंग एडवांस डे
हम्म
बाय डे,
हम्म
आई वुड डेफिनेटली लाइक टू गिव दिस गिफ्ट टू एनीवन क्लोज
हाँ, you
टू
can
मी.
talk about it. Yes, in the future if I'll be getting an upgraded model of this watch, I'm surely gonna gift it to another of my friend or my parents, जिसको भी आप बोलना चाह सकते हो.
ओके ओके
You
मैम.
can talk about it, right? Now, in this way, you have to frame your cue card. आपको 2 मिनट के लिए बोलना है तो 30 सेकेंड्स 1 मिनट में अपने आंसर को फ्रेम करो. व्हाट आई कैन टॉक अबाउट, पास्ट में मैं क्या बोल सकता हूँ, प्रेजेंट क्या बोल सकता हूँ, फ्यूचर क्या बोल सकता हूँ. राइट? क्लियर एवरीवन? सेम स्ट्रक्चर हम फॉलो करेंगे, अनदर डिफरेंट वे जिससे हम आंसर को फ्रेम कर सकते हैं वो भी मैं आपको कराऊंगी. बट इट्स अप टू यू, यू वांट टू फॉलो दैट फॉर्मेट फॉर योर क्यू कार्ड या आज वाला करना है, आप वो भी कर सकते हो. इट्स अप टू यू, विच एवर यू फाइंड कन्वीनियंट आप उससे अपने क्यू कार्ड को फ्रेम करो. बट यू हैव टू स्पीक फॉर एटलीस्ट 2 minutes. मेमोराइज आंसर हम नहीं बोलेंगे, बस आई वॉन्ट यू टू रिप्लेस दिस वन स्टेटमेंट जो होती है ना, टुडे आई वुड लाइक टू टॉक अबाउट अ गिफ्ट आई रिसीव्ड स्मार्ट वॉच। वो नहीं करना, वो तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं करना। पता नहीं कितने एग्जामिनर्स लाइक दे यूजुअली हैव टेस्ट, पता नहीं कितने टेस्ट लेते हैं और वो सेम स्टेटमेंट्स अगर रिपीट लगते हैं ना तो आप वही एवरेज बैंड पे रह जाते हो। नो, 1.5 मिनट से पहले स्टॉप बिल्कुल भी नहीं होना, एंड पैनिक तो बिल्कुल नहीं होना जब आइडियाज खत्म हो जाए। 1 मिनट में आपको ये सब करना है। सो जस्ट मेक योर सेल्फ आइडियाज खत्म। इन केस मान लो अगर आपकी कोई स्ट्रैटेजी वर्क नहीं कर रही है, एक्सप्लेन योर फीलिंग, गिव योर एग्जाम्पल, टॉक अबाउट फ्यूचर, इससे आपके आइडियाज एक्सटेंड होते हैं। अगर आपके पास ये स्ट्रैटेजी नहीं है, कैन यू स्पीक फॉर 2 minutes? नहीं, रिपीट करते जाओगे अपने आइडियाज को बार बार। होता है ना ऐसे, अगर मैं अभी भी किसी से भी 2 मिनट के लिए एक टॉपिक पूछ लूं, उसमें कम से कम 10 बार एक स्टेटमेंट रिपीट होगी, दैट इज फॉर श्योर। बहुत सारे वर्ड्स रिपीट होंगे।
यस
तो
मैम।
दैट इज वाई उस रिपीटिशन को अवॉइड करने के लिए हमने क्या करा है, इसे सेग्रीगेट कर दिया है, डिवाइड कर दिया है 4 वेज में, कि हम पास्ट भी बोले, प्रेजेंट भी बोले, एग्जाम्पल भी बोले एंड फ्यूचर भी बोले। इससे हमारी फीलिंग्स भी एक्सप्रेस हो रही हैं, एग्जाम्पल्स भी आ रहे हैं और हम फ्यूचर के बारे में भी बात कर रहे हैं। दैट मीन्स यू आर गोइंग ऑन अ बैंड 7 लेवल, आप बैंड 6 पे नहीं हो। Band 6 is very average, I would say. I don't want my students to get and settle only for 6. बिल्कुल भी नहीं। अगर आप में से कोई भी लाइक आई गेस सुदीप जस्ट लेफ्ट, ही वॉज इन द लास्ट सेशन, ही वॉज इन द लास्ट कोर्स, एंड अगर आप उन कोर्स वाले स्टूडेंट्स के स्कोर देखो तो वी यूजली अपलोड ऑन द कम्युनिटी, दे ऑल हैव अचीव्ड 7 एंड अबव, 6 नहीं, राइट? सो इसलिए आई वॉन्ट ऑल ऑफ यू कि देखो फ्लुएंसी एक दिन में नहीं आती, साइलेंस तो आ जाएगा। सो अवॉइड योर साइलेंस एंड जस्ट ट्राई स्पीकिंग। ये आपके लिए ही क्लासेस है, सो दैट यू ऑल कैन स्पीक। जितना ज्यादा बोलोगे उतनी ज्यादा हेजिटेशन आपकी खत्म होगी, कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल अप होगा। इफ यू विल बी ऑन द म्यूट लेवल, आई कांट हेल्प यू आउट। मैं कैसे आपकी हेल्प करूंगी अगर आप म्यूट करके बैठे रहोगे एंड यू वोंट बी स्पीकिंग एनीथिंग। जब आप बोलोगे ओनली देन आई कैन इवैल्यूएट। जैसे मैं राहुल को बताती हूँ दैट ही हैज ग्रामेटिकल एरर्स एंड ही विल इंप्रूव ऑन दिस, राइट? सो जिसकी जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स है वो तभी पता लगेंगे जब आप स्पीक करोगे। इफ यू नॉट स्पीकिंग, आई कैन नॉट हेल्प यू आउट। So please practice at least one cue card every day with this strategy. Record yourself for 2 minutes या फिर आप एप्लीकेशन पे भी कर सकते हो, इट्स योर चॉइस। ओके, कॉन्फिडेंस जब आएगा तभी आपका बैंड आएगा। अगर कॉन्फिडेंस ही डाउन रहेगा, हेजिटेट करोगे, बहुत सारे पॉजेस लोगे, यू कैन नेवर हैव योर स्कोर। कभी भी स्कोर बूस्ट नहीं होगा आपका। ओके, थैंक यू सो मच सुचिता। थैंक्स अ लॉट। You attended the session for the first time, right? Sorry, I did not have a time to ask about you. Can you speak about something? Like where are you from? Talk about yourself. Chanpreet, आपको रिकॉर्डिंग क्यों नहीं मिल रही? You can share your screen. I'll help you out. Yes, please.
यस मैम।
Please share your screen. I'll help you out. Open up your application. Okay, you are from Nagpur, Suchita. Please watch all the sessions there. Speaking के topics like part 1 हो चुका है and there are few classes which are already done. So Chanpreet is just taking us there. आप देख सकते हो. You can rewatch all the classes. Okay?
मैम ये शेयर करने के बाद स्क्रीन के बाद डिस्प्ले ओवर अदर एप्स।
हाँ, I'm not able. You did not start with your screen share. I'm not able to see right now. Click on share screen.
यस मैम, शेयर स्क्रीन में हुआ, बट उसके बाद एक डिस्प्ले ओवर अदर एप्स में आ गया है मैम। I don't
Anybody
know how
else who
to.
can share the screen? Anyone who can share the screen? Okay, that's great, Suchita. If you're planning for Germany, we're gonna help you out with your score. Please be regular in the classes, okay? Anyone? Yes,
Ma'am.
Chanpreet now. Yes, yes, yes. You just started. Now go to the baby code application.
Yes, ma'am.
Now everyone who all are not aware, just wait here. Wait, Chanpreet. Who all are not aware of the classes. See, जब आप home page पे जाओ, Chanpreet, go to the home page. Yes, wait here. So this is the homepage of our application. Speaking, listening, reading, writing, vocab. All the sections are here. Plus, scroll down. There are some videos here on the home screen as well. Now go above. Go to the classes. Click on classes. Now
Yes,
one
ma'am.
thing. Wait here. ये जो लिखा है ना IELTS recorded classes, ये वो कोर्स है जो लास्ट मंथ हुआ था, like which was started in November and ended in January. So ये लास्ट कोर्स है. प्लस अब ये जो IELTS क्लासेस इन कॉर्नर में लाइव क्लास लिखा है ना, दिस इज द कोर्स विच इज गोइंग ऑन राइट नाउ. क्लिक ऑन दैट, चंद्रप्रीत.
Yes, ma'am.
अब आपको रोज की नोटिफिकेशन मिलती है, लाइक टुमारो इज अ क्लास एट 9 AM, रिमाइंड मी, पास बेस, देन नेक्स्ट इज प्लेस एंड पर्सन. ठीक है, तो ऐसे आपको रेगुलर अपडेट्स मिलती हैं फॉर द होल वीक. आपको पता लगता है कि कौन कौन सी क्लास होने वाली है कब कब.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, so how can we get the recording of this?
नाउ यू कैन सी द क्लासेस बिलो. ये हमारी क्लासेस इस कोर्स की जो अभी तक हो चुकी हैं, लाइक 6 क्लासेस. ओके चंद्रप्रीत.
Yes, ma'am.
लास्ट क्लास वी हैड ना मॉक टेस्ट, पार्ट 1 का मॉक टेस्ट हमने किया था, रिमेम्बर?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, सो दैट वाज द लास्ट क्लास. अभी आज की क्लास इट विल बी अपलोड सून बाय द आफ्टरनून.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
नाउ यू कैन स्टॉप योर शेयर स्क्रीन. ओके, सो ऑल ऑफ यू कैन वॉच द सेशंस. क्लास के बाद भी आप दोबारा से रिकॉर्डिंग देख सकते हो, और एल्स यू कैन गो टू द यूट्यूब पे भी देख सकते हो. एनी
Ma'am,
डाउट,
can you
एनी अदर
please
क्वेरीज?
little bit, ma'am, can you please little bit elaborate third part because my exam is on 31st
Sorry, which
and I
part?
think third part of speaking.
So sorry, today I can't. You can watch the
Not today,
session.
tomorrow or tomorrow, day after tomorrow.
I will try, but that's not really easy because I can't give it like 10-15 minutes का. If you want to watch, you can watch the session. आप last जो recorded classes हैं उसमें पूरा speaking part 3 है, you can watch that. Okay, because
Okay, thank you.
10-15 minutes में I can just give you the overview, nothing else. Okay, so it's
Hmm.
better to rewatch the session from the previous course जो नवंबर में start हुआ था.
Okay, ma'am,
Okay,
thank you.
any other doubt, any other query? Okay, then see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Take care.
Have a nice day, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Bye.